Okay, in case you're wondering how a dashboard is made, a dashboard is just a graphical interpretation of data. For instance, during this period of coronavirus outbreak, you may have been seeing in some of these websites or news media how data presentation are made using graphical illustration. So Microsoft Excel has a lot of features that can help us to make something that looks professional. And in this video, I'll be illustrating how I use Microsoft Excel to analyze the data of NCDC. That's the body that is responsible for infectious disease control in Nigeria. And they have a daily update of the number of cases of coronavirus. And so I'll be working on their data. So firstly, it's very important to show you the data I got from NCDC. As you can see in this data that there are various states of the Federation, of which Lagos, Kano, and FCT, that is Abuja, are the leading states. And you can see that the number of cases in all the states, we can also see the number of people on hospital admission, the number of people discharged so far, the number of deaths, sadly. The only thing that I have here that is not on the NCDC website is this column where you have the geopolitical zone. So I manually entered the geopolitical zones of each of these states. So that's the addition to my own work. Through the help of pivot table and charts, we develop all this. I'm not going to put you through the process, but I'm just going to show you that this dashboard made from Microsoft Excel can be a very important tool in analyzing data. So first of all, let me show you all what we have here. We have on this first chart on the left is the chart that compares all the states across all geopolitical zones. So from here, this slicer, you can see all the states we have in Nigeria with coronavirus cases so far. And on clicking on any of these states, for instance, if I scroll down to, let's say, FCT, for instance, and I click on FCT. Now, okay, sorry, I need to make this deactivate something, yeah, okay. And I click on FCT. It's going to show me the data of FCT alone. So it's telling me that the number of cases is 379, number of people in hospital 290, number of people discharged 82, and sadly 7 deaths so far. So with this, we can even compare two different states. I can say, okay, I want to know how FCT is performing compared to Lagos. So on that, you can just click this multiple select button and just scroll until we find Lagos. So if I click on Lagos, so the two bars you can see on this is now showing FCT for one in relation to Lagos. So this can help us in comparing the performance of two states. And again, you can see from the pie charts we have here that the pie chart is also showing the geopolitical regions of these two states. FCT is in the north central, Lagos is in the southwest. So it's telling us that the percentage share of the total cases in FCT and in Lagos is 89% for Lagos and just 15% for FCT. And the number of cases discharged is 87% for Lagos or for the southwest. and 13% for FCT. So this bar is also showing us the number of cases. If you want it in the number form, you can also get it from here. So with this simple illustration, you can see the power of Excel, Microsoft Excel, and the pivot table and the pivot chart can help us to design a professional looking dashboard that we can publish. And it is very interesting how we made this little space, this little bars you can see here, that gives us that updates automatically as we move from region to region. If I click Kano, for instance, you can see that these bars have changed. So this is a very this is a very strong tool we can use to assess, to analyze our data, and to plan for the future. The reason we do data analysis is to plan. So this can tell us that Kano, for instance, if we look at Kano, just 750 three cases and 33 dead. In comparison with Lagos, 2,000 and 2,099 cases, 33 dead. So it tells us that the healthcare system in Kano needs to improve because of what we have here. If out of this, the ratio of the cases to the number of deaths is very high in Kano compared to Lagos. So we can use all this kind of data analysis to plan our future, to plan our healthcare system, and to know where to direct various resources. I hope you've been able to gain one or two things from this. I'll be doing more videos. Thank you. Ooh, what's this?